showcase of witty minds and delicate touch. Each candidate will draw a number. The number has a corresponding picture, and the candidate will explain and expound.
Okay, let us start. Candidate number 6.
Ano bang feeling na napasali ka sa top 3 finals?
Well, I didn't expect it because I didn't get any award. That's why I lose hope. So, I'm shocked.
Okay na lang. Importante na nakapasok ka sa top 3.
Anyway, candidate number 6, please draw a number. Number 4.
Picture is when the Moncayo College of Arts, Science and Technology have officially received the financial assistance coming from the Commission on Higher Education. Ladies and gentlemen, it is just a proof that despite of the calamity that we've experienced, we still remain blessed and thankful because this kind of opportunity came to us in which the student in this school may enjoy at the same time learn without any worries on paying our tuition fee. And that would be all. Thank you.
We now move to the first finalist, candidate number 5. Please accept
Hello, candidate number 5. Would you like to say hi to your, I think you have fans there?
Yes. Hi to all BSBA!
Okay, are you ready to, okay, please draw.
Number 1, sir. Of the society.
My course is BSBA, taking of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in marketing. I can help the society by doing my responsibilities and maintain the harmony of consumerism, environmentalism, and entrepreneurship. Thank you.
Candidate number 7. Number 5.
The picture shows reality. We cannot deny the fact that this relationship is existing nowadays. And these people who were involved in this relationship doesn't call our attention to follow their footsteps. But they were calling for us to respect and accept them. Remember that we are no longer in a traditional one, but we are embracing the reality. Thank you.